Here is Soda app Make New Friends, and yeah, it's quite high in the charts. And however, there is a story that this app is gonna replace Wink app. Not a lot of people are actually happy with it, so you can see it's reflected in the ratings. People liked Wink app, but they don't um, really like this app. Seems like that. So you can see I originally downloaded Wink. It's unfortunate to see that isn't here anymore. I tried using to see if it would sort of would be better. I was completely wrong. This sudden app change from Wink to Soda wasn't exactly the smart option to do. I don't understand why there is only a calling choice. Not everyone feels comfortable with being on a call. So people don't like this just voice audio setting. And you can see that here's the developer. So Wink app is still here, but I just don't know if this app will be, deleted or removed or something here. So, mm, um, so that's what it is. But like back to the Soda app, if you just open it up, then you can just easily create your account. Then you just have your look, your AI avatar, and that's the idea that you can just load your avatar. You can customize your avatar, so there is no your real photos. Then there is you can connect your crypto wallet, Phantom wallet to this. You can customize it, and then you can just tap the chat button, and then you can just select filter who you want to chat with, and then it will just open up random audio chat. And then basically that's the idea of the app. So super simplistic. Then you just have how the app looks like. Then if you want to upgrade, you can just upgrade for 1 month. That's like $10. So 1 week $5. 3 months is like $25. You can also do that. Then you just have your settings. As you can see, Wink ID is in the Soda. I don't know why, so they just kind of mixed together these two apps. You can also in the bottom, you can just go to log out or delete your account. And then, you're just getting some gems. Then, you can go and get some gems. You can get some free gems every week if you upgrade. And then I can just claim 100 gems just for logging in. And then on the day 6, if you just log in every day to this app, just open the app once per day, you can get up to 500 gems. So that's what it is. That's basically the app. But as I said, like not a lot of people like this. Seems more people just like Wink app. So this is the app from the same developer where you can just also just chat with people, and it's kind of like Tinder where you just want to swipe and make some friends, and also you can then have some Wink Live random video chats, just like an extension to this app. Swipes are free. Okay, so a lot of notifications, a lot of ads here as well. Then you can just have like random chat, and then you can have requests and chat. So this app is more, kind of advanced, like more features. And some people just prefer this app more, while Soda app is mostly just like audio calls. And so that's what it is. Hope that's helpful.